Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be busy with a few things. Look at the pretty little cardinal that I saw on top of the roof. Adorable. Bruno needs to get out. So we're going to take him outside, get him some exercise, and we're going to have a little bit of fun in the garden. If you're new here, my name is Rita Slanina. I'm an actress and author and love to do lifestyle content like this. Enjoy me in my day in the life. And please like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. Every time I go out, I love to grab a cute little toy or something for Bruno to play with. I know he is so spoiled. But he looks forward to it. He sticks his nose in the bag. He usually is always looking for his little treat. It's just adorable to watch him play with all the little toys that he gets. Got a French fry out of there. Oh, that was the thunder. So it was finally time to get him outside. Enough of this indoors nonsense. Although it had been raining and thundering, and Bruno will not go out in the rain, even though he is part Labrador and should love water.
Good boy.
So let's get him outside and get him running around. What are you doing? What are you doing?
outside. Okay, let's go to the door.
All right, Bruno, I think we've had enough today. We've got more than enough camera time. So let's switch ourselves into the garden. I wanted to share with you that when we do have an amazing garden season, that I hardly really put any time and effort into it, but the harvest is just amazing. So I wanted to share this fall harvest with you from last year and show you what it can look like. And if your garden isn't looking like this now, don't give up. Don't give up. Keep going. Plant more seeds. Buy some more already pre-grown stuff. Just keep trying and see what works. And just know that not everything is going to grow the same every year. You know, we've had amazing green beans, and then the last 2 years, not so much amazing green beans. So come and harvest with me. This is going to be fun. I mean, wow, what an amazing green bean harvest we're having. And how cute is this sunflower? That's so random. So on that tree stump behind the camera, we like to put a lot of seeds for the birds outdoors. We're kind of pulling back on that this year because we've got the baby chickens and we don't want to bring in predator birds necessarily. And it is a lot cleaner of a look that we have this year, but I believe in trying everything to see what works each year and what doesn't work each year. I actually like keeping a gardening journal. It's not necessarily always filled in because I'm not good at keeping up on it, but I do still like to have it. So here and there you will definitely see that I am keeping tabs on what's working and what's not working in my garden year after year. So since this is about the 3rd or 4th year we've been gardening, I'm curious, what tips do you guys have for your garden? What zone are you in? Do you pay attention to the zoning? Do you pay attention to what grows naturally in your area or what doesn't grow naturally in your area? I have found that if we have a rainy monsoon season, there is much less work for me to do during the growing season. However, in midsummer is what you're seeing here toward the fall, we tend to have a huge harvesting season should that actually be the case and we have a rainy monsoon season. Alternatively, if we have a very dry season, nothing grows. It's too hot and nothing is growing. So I'd like to hear from you. Put in the comments below what tips you have for your garden or small farm. Wow, we got so many amazing items from the garden today. So I'm going to adapt them to a few recipes that I'm going to show you here that I ended up making. They just turned out so amazing. The fresh food makes such a huge difference. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed hanging out with me today. Oh, here we go with Bruno, finally getting the love he's been looking for from my handsome husband while they spend a little quality time together. I hope you guys are having an amazing summer, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye.